Here's when the saints go marching in. Starting on G. 1, 2, here we go. G. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, I want to be in that number when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the sun begins to shine. Oh, when the sun begins to shine. Oh, I want to be in that number when the sun begins to shine. Now here's a great place to put your own verse or give your best mouth trumpet solo. Are you ready? Here we go. Nice job. When the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, I want to be in that number when the saints go marching in. Oh, I want to be in that number go marching in. Yeah! Nicely done with that one. As you can see, it doesn't take much, so have fun. Enjoy your week.
One more quick thing. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to keep this channel going, and to enjoy some extra perks and resources. You can learn more by clicking join next to the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for the support.